Welcome to the vlog, welcome to the channel, welcome to another beautiful day here in the state of... So cold. Hey, Poochie. There's Bertha. Here's our Jeep. I don't know, boys. I think I'm going to wrap him in the color of, well, maybe salt. What do you guys think about that? How about a salt color mixed in with some nice grime? Ow, son of a... I think I just fractured my butt cheek. What's up, Radar Cars family? Welcome to the most awesome winterizing your vehicle video that you will ever see. First of all, I hope you had a Merry Christmas and I hope you have an awesome New Year. That said, thank you for all the loyal fans and subs that have stuck with me and all my shenanigans for 2019. We're almost at 6,000 subs and I literally couldn't do it without you guys. We've got a great pipeline for 2020, so if you're new to the channel, hit that sub, hit that like, hit that bell, because we're gonna go on a wild ride. Big things coming, God willing. And speaking of God, I hope that you all remembered on Christmas that Jesus is the reason for the season. That said, by the end of this video, I'm gonna make you, yes you, a champion at winterizing your car or motorcycle. Stay humble, champion. Now, I'm gonna be using my motorcycle, but we're gonna be talking about things that also apply to your GT350 or your GT500 or whatever it is that you drive, if they are in fact garage queens. Wuss! Wuss! Excuse me. We daily drive our Mustang here all winter long, no excuses. Full Mustang, full time. Booyah, Grandma. Booyah. Booyah. Here's what you're gonna need. A motorcycle or a car. Duh. Or if you're like me, you wanna put your motorcycle into the house during the winter time. If only I could get my wife to agree to it. And for once, I'm being serious. Some F11 is going to be essential to winterize your vehicle. I have my review of this and my link and my unique discount code below if you would like to have this. But in short, I'm going to be using this to put on some final detailing on the bike, and then I'm going to layer on another coat just to keep it all safe and snug and warm all winter long. F11 is essential for spring, summer, fall, and winter. Shout out to our boys up there in Canada who are probably thinking right now, you have no idea what winter is, son. When you have polar bears taking a dump in your driveway. And our idea of roadkill is reindeers and walruses, then you can complain about winter. Or is it walrye? Walruses? Walrye? Love our brothers up there in Canada representing the North Pole. Ho, ho, ho. Number 4, you're not just gonna need a battery tender, you're gonna need one of these bad boys right here. Let me show you with my advanced karate skills. The TechMate Optimate 4 dual 1-amp weatherproof desulfating charger and maintainer is the ultimate all-in-one tool. The charger diagnoses, recovers, charges, tests, and optimally maintains automatically. I have had this Optimate 4 for 7 years, and I've been alternated on my motorcycles and my lawnmower. But I also just recently learned that this little guy here can also power up my GT350. So I'm gonna hook this up to the GT350 tonight, and if it does as well as it has on my motorcycles, it's gonna be epic. And here's the secret sauce I'm revealing to you, the Rated R Cars family. You're gonna need some pipe insulators and some masking tape. These two go together to do many things, including keeping kids from hitting their heads on your barbells, stops door dings on your levers, your brakes, your shifters, your foot pegs, and more. Also prevents from skinning your shins on your foot pegs, which I have done multiple times. And when your family's not home, they also make for epic lightsaber fights with your imaginary friends. Did I just say that? Note to self. Self, do not forget to edit this part out. Imaginary friends. No! Hey Scotty, remind me to edit that part out. Yes, thank you. Yeah, of course, lightsaber fight tonight at 7 o'clock. You know how we do, boy. No. I can't do it before dinner. I gotta go, Scotty. I'm recording. Hey, Jerry, get Scotty out of here, will ya? I've got so many friends. I'm popular. All right, here we go. Record. You're gonna need masking tape, also known as duct tape. You're gonna need some Stradman enzyme fuel treatment. That's right. Allow me to show you with some more advanced karate skills. Stradman enzyme fuel treatment concentrate rejuvenates and stabilizes old gasoline, cures ethanol problems, improves miles per gallon, reduces emissions, and increases your horsepower. A motorcycle or car cover is optional. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm in the garage, I prefer to look at my bike. It's like a work of art. It's like a Picasso. Yeah, it's just like a Picasso hanging on my wall. Better than the Mona Lisa, you know? And I don't know about you guys, but I also like to touch my bike appropriately. Tell me that you guys with bikes in your garage don't just like to kind of put your hand on the handlebar once in a while. We don't love material things, we love God, we love our brethren and our sistren, we like material things.
Oh, you cheating son of a biscuit!
Anyway, always remember when you put in your fuel stabilizer to make sure that you not only start and run your bike, but take it for a ride around the block to make sure it gets into the bike's circulatory system, not just the bike's digestive system.
That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
No, Scotty, my bike is not a she anymore. She's Generation Z, which means she's gender non-conforming. I mean they, it or they. They is not. Or was it non-binary? Will somebody please check one of Facebook's 58 genders, please? Oh, bullshit! Excuse me, I have allergies to bullshit. Man up, world. If this offends you, then maybe...
Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, falling on my nose.
Next step, cover your exhaust tips to make sure that no little critters don't get inside. No, not because I care about the PETA, because I don't want some charred little chipmunk to be tarnishing my Augustini. You know. And if you didn't, now you do. Put your car or your motorcycle in a snug little place, safe from the elements, and remember, the party's not over. Make a list of mods and things that you want to do to your car or motorcycle over the winter time to keep the fun alive. Mods like these, ones that I've done, such as the windscreen, replace the grips, the end mirrors, mirror caps, exhaust, motorcycle dash camera. Some of these things I've already done install videos for, and some I will be doing over the winter. Use a good squirrel mark or scratch remover like this one. I'll put the link to the description below. This is one I've thoroughly tested out, and I don't even really need to talk about this. I'm gonna just show you the before and after on my GT350. After the dealer had its way with washing my car, here's what it looks like now. So these things, especially if you get a good kit like I did, comes with all the stuff you need. These things can really turn around your car if it has some light scratches and swirl marks. Highly recommended, link in the description below. As always, I appreciate you guys using my Amazon links below to support the channel. I do have a storefront that I created on Amazon that has a bunch of unique car guy products or car gal products. Check it out below. Replace your brake pads, air filter, change your oil, examine your tires for wear and pressure, check your wiring, bolts, and other maintenance. Just because the snowflakes are flying, and no, I'm not just talking about the Democrats, doesn't mean the fun has to end. I guess we should probably come up with a name for my motorcycle. What do you guys think? I have a name for my car already. I have lovingly named her Bertha, but we need a name for my motorcycle. As always, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. So much.
Man up, you right bastard. You bastard.
Scotty? But I thought you were imaginary.
How's that for imaginary, you soddy numpty walloper?
Earl, help!
You bastard.